Just the perfect beginning towards their careers in the hospitality industry with so much of passion and commitment and energy.
You who are at ISH, you are blessed to be on a campus like this.
And I'm sure we will produce many future hospitality leaders, global leaders coming out of this fine institute.
Students are wonderful and the facility is definitely top class.
Spacious, lovely spaces, fantastic aesthetics, generous elbow room.
There's massive demand in India really for trained folks across. So, wonderful to see the great work that ISH is doing.
Probably the finest hotel school that I've seen in a long time.
People who have really spent a long time in this industry, and that's the difference between having a professor or a teacher who comes from an academic background or someone like ISH where they pick up people from who have honed their skills in the industry.
Younger days when I actually went to hotel school, this is far superior. It's actually top notch. It's like a hotel.
I think it's one of the colleges to look out for in the future.
I think a great industry, and we look forward to be working together to take this to a different level.
Facility is just amazing. It is 2022 and beyond, technologically driven, very clean, very elegant.
Allows our students the unique opportunity to interact with leaders across hospitality and allied sector businesses, and more importantly, it allows them to get inspired and fuel their aspirations from the great people that they are able to interact with at events such as this.